Here I'm gonna show you how to clean an Nespresso Inissia coffee machine, important cleaning and maintenance. The first step is to turn off the machine and unplug it. Then remove the water tank. And then remove the drip tray with drip grid and capsule container. Then make the maintenance unit in separate pieces for easy cleaning. After separating them, wash them well with lukewarm water. Then rinse the water tank thoroughly and fill it with fresh water. Clean the coffee machine with soft damp cloth. And most importantly, clean the coffee outlet regularly with a soft damp cloth. Once you have completed this process, return the maintenance unit and the water tank back into the machine. Then plug the cable into the socket. Then place a container or mug under the coffee outlet. Recommended size 1 liter. Press any button, espresso or lungo, on the machine to activate the machine. The lights will blink until the machine reaches the required temperature. Heating time can go up to 25 seconds. Once your machine is ready, the lights will stop blinking. Then press the lungo button. You need to repeat this 3 times. The process is completed. Now your coffee machine is clean and ready for use. You can make your favorite coffee now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.